Hello there everyone. This video I want to show you how to unlock your iPhone 6 Plus from T-Mobile so that you can use it in any other carrier that you want to use it on. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you're new to the channel, I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. Okay, so as you can see, the phone is from T-Mobile. It has a T-Mobile SIM card in there that's activated. So let's go ahead and remove it and install a different SIM card from another carrier. For example, I'm going to be using this SIM card here from another carrier, another country. I just want to show you that you can unlock your phone to use it with any GSM SIM card that you wish to use it on. So let's go ahead and place that SIM card in here. So automatically, if your phone is locked to T-Mobile, once you put in another SIM card from another carrier, it's going to go to the activation required screen. So go ahead and hit the home button, connect to Wi-Fi so we can try and activate it. And it's going to give us this message right here, SIM not supported, because since we're trying to activate the phone with another SIM card that's not T-Mobile, it's not going to allow it because the phone is locked to T-Mobile. So I'm going to show you how to unlock it now so you can use it with any company that you wish to use it on. Let's go ahead and remove the SIM card. Let's place the phone down and the SIM card. So how we're going to unlock it is with this special unlock chip that we have. It's an unlock SIM card. We're going to have a link to this down below in the description where you can get it. So it's a thin unlock chip. You're going to place it right here on your SIM card tray. Like that. So you're going to go ahead and get the SIM card. I'm going to get the same SIM card and place it right on top of it. And then we're going to place it carefully in the iPhone. Okay, so once again, it's going to take us to the activation required screen. So we're going to go ahead and hit dismiss, hit the home button. So once you're here, what we're going to do this time is we're going to hit the home button and we're going to hit emergency call. Here in emergency call, we're going to press star 5005, star 7672, star 0 pound. And then we're going to hit the dial pad. So it's going to take us to this selection right here, this menu. Scroll down and select edit ICCID. Okay, so once you're here, you're going to type in numbers 8901 4103 2795 2915 and then 5450. Once you have that typed in, hit send. It's going to say setup okay, restart your phone now, so hit accept and go ahead and power your phone off. Alright, so the phone is going to power on like this. Go ahead and hit continue. Okay, but this time, since we put in the correct code with the unlock chip, it's going to unlock your phone and you'll be able to use it with your preferred SIM card. Alright, so that's how you unlock your T-Mobile iPhone 6 Plus. Let's go ahead and go into the settings so we can verify. So it looks like that SIM card that we put in is Xfinity Mobile. But it can work with any other SIM card that you wish to use as well. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.